23 more gold medals.
The list goes to couple number 107. Juliet Cabajo and Gary Perez of Lapu-Lapu City.
Oh my God, Lord!
And our champion, our first placer, gold medalist
Thank
goes
you,
to
Lord.
number 106. Hilda Castañeda and Kyra Enriquez of Danao City.
Lord, salamat, Lord!
Number 107, Jordan Abajo and Mary Margaret Perez of Lapu-Lapu
Third
City.
gold! Third gold, Nani! Oh my God!
And our gold medalist goes to couple number 106,
Yes!
Siljan
Thank you,
Castañeda
Lord.
and Kyra Enriquez
Yes.
of Danao City.
Thank you, Lord! Lord, thank you, Lord!
To couple number 107, Jordan Cabajo and Margaret Perez of Lapu-Lapu City. And our gold medalist goes to couple number 106, Zildjian Castañeda and Kyra Enriquez of Danao City.
Lord, thank you, Lord!
Thank you so much. Moving on to couple number 101, Prince Balduman and Kyra Saroy of Bohol Province.
Another!
And our gold medalist goes to couple number 106, Siljan Nicolo Castañeda and Kyra Enriquez of Danao City. Silver medalist goes to silver medalist goes to couple number 107, Jordan Cabajo and Mary Margaret Perez of Lapu-Lapu City. And our champion, gold medalist,
Haros!
who will represent to Region 7 to the Palarong Pambansa. Couple number 106, Zildjian Nicolo Castañeda and Kyra Enriquez of